Namaste. Welcome to English classes. I am Sunila Jyotsna, TGT English, Kendra Vidyalaya, Walter. Today we are going to learn reported speech, otherwise called as direct or indirect speech. Now, direct speech. Whatever statement made by a person is known as a direct speech. Indirect speech. When we report the same statement to others, it is called as indirect speech. For example, Taro's father offered some sake to his neighbors and said, "Oh, please drink this sake." Now, how do we report? Please drink this sake. We report it as Taro's father requested his neighbors to drink some sake. Now, let us we understand. Reported speech is not learned only to gain marks in grammar. It is also learned to answer the question and answers in writing skills like story writing, report writing, and so on. Now, how do we use it in question and answers? Let us learn from the lesson 3 questions of 7th standard when a question is given as, "What did the king ask the hermit?" Now, in answer to this question, we don't use the direct statement as, "Oh hermit, please answer my questions." The king says, "Oh hermit, please answer my questions." We report it as, "The king asked the hermit to answer his questions." The king asked the hermit, "Oh hermit, please answer my questions." The king asked the hermit to answer his questions. Now, we certainly know that there is some change from direct when the statement changes from direct to indirect. But what is this change is what we have to learn now. Usually, when we report after something happens. So, the present tense changes to past tense. What is the present? What is the past tense? All this we have to understand. Now, to understand what is the present tense, what is the past tense, what is a verb in a statement, we must understand the structure of English. In any language, in particular with English, the structure of English language is subject, verb plus object. Any statement can stand without a subject or without an object, sometimes both, but cannot stand without a verb. Verb is like the heart of a statement. Without a subject, without an object, how can we make a statement? Come in has no subject or no object, but it is a statement. Come in. Now, now we know what is a verb. We practiced it as V1, V2, V3. V1. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Choose, chose, chosen. Look, looked, looked. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Hit, hit, hit. Cut, cut, cut. Some verbs are regular verbs, some verbs are irregular verbs. This you have to practice. Now, coming to this, we have to understand that direct and indirect speeches, they change. Now imagine, last week you went to a party, a lot of your friends were there, but your friend Shashank could not attend. Now after a week, you are reporting the things of the party to your friend Shashank. Today you meet Shashank, you tell him about the party. You tell Shashank what your friend said. First, let us be seen. Chaitanya, a boy told you, "You look tired." Now you report it as, Chaitanya said that I looked tired. You look, change it to I looked. Second statement, Kirti says, what Kirti directly says is, "I am enjoying my new job." Now how do we report it? We report it as Kirti said that she was enjoying her new job. Now, what is the verb in this statement? Enjoy. But imagine the children, just think a while. What is the statement? I am enjoying my new job. What is the tense of the statement? It is in present tense. Which word tells that it is in present tense? Am or enjoying? Am says. So, am is the verb of this statement. Tense deciding verb. So, only that changes. Kirti said that she was enjoying her new job. Second statement, what Kirti said was, "My father is not well." My father is not well. We report it as Kirti said her father was not well. Is not well, change it to was not well, because the verb here is not. So present tense of is not, change it to was not. Now understand, in the in some statements, am, is, are, was, were, they are the tense deciding words. So when inflected, only these words change. Am, is changes to was, are changes to were, present tense changes to past tense. Next statement, Devi and her husband Shekhar said, "We are going to buy a house." Now, how do we report? Devi and Shekhar said that they were going to buy a house. Buy doesn't change. Only are, we are changes to they were going to buy a house. Now the third statement, Rajesh. What Rajesh says is, I have to leave early. Now you report it to Shashank as, Rajesh said that he had to leave early. Have to, change it to had to. That's all for today's direct and indirect speech. Mere listening to the direct and indirect speech never help you in learning the entire concept. One has to practice the questions related. English grammar is just like mathematics. Until unless it is practiced several times, you cannot be successful. Thank you. Dhanyawad. That's all for today.